Everything broken is clutter. At a recent speaking engagement, I asked the question, when you think of clutter, what comes to your mind? Several of the answers I expected: paper, email, my garage. But two of the responses truly intrigued me. One, head trash, and two, relationships. The conversations that ensued after the presentation resulted in a new conclusion. Everything broken is clutter. Hello, I'm Barbara Hemphill, founder of Productive Environment Institute. We always encourage our clients to ask the question, does this help me accomplish my work or enjoy my life? If the answer is not really, it's clutter. But think about it. Some things are clutter because they don't help you accomplish your work or enjoy your life, while other things need repair. One of the participants told the story that he had a model airplane sitting on his desk. It had been there for months, but the wing is broken. How long would it take to repair, I asked. Probably 5 minutes, he replied. With a broken ring, the plane is clutter, draining mental energy as he repeatedly chides himself, I really should fix this. In a matter of minutes, it could be a source of inspiration. Research shows that we become like the 5 people with whom we most often hang out. Do those 5 people in your life help you accomplish your work or enjoy your life? One friend told me today that every time she meets a friend and asks, how are you doing? The friend replies, I'm hanging in there. I'm getting so I hate to ask her, my friend said. That relationship is clutter. There are 2 options. 1, stop it, or 2, decide whether it's important enough to you to take action to try and fix it. For example, when I find myself in a conversation where someone says something that I don't understand or don't agree with, I often respond by including the phrase, tell me more. That often opens the door to more conversation where I can better understand or gives me evidence that this relationship is clutter in my life. Years ago at a presentation, I said, have nothing in your home which is not useful, beautiful, or loved. One woman on the front row replied loudly, there goes my whole house and my husband. Of course, everyone laughed. Thankfully, it turned out she wasn't serious, but I'm confident that all of us, including me, have clutter that should be repaired or eliminated. One of my favorite books is Atomic Habits by James Clear. He makes the statement, we do not rise to the level of our goals, we fall to the level of our habits. So, I have a challenge for you, which I'm confident would be a highly productive habit to establish regularly. Identify one thing in your life that is clutter, that you need to eliminate so you can accomplish your work and enjoy your life. Then ask 2 questions. 1, what is the next action I need to take? And 2, by when? Thanks for listening.